This is Kepler and you're watching Kepler Talks. So again, as you can see, my account balance is $65 and I today I bring you a new strategy. It is 5 minutes duration and choose rise and fall. As we can see here, the market is downtrend, so we took a downtrend. This is simple scalping. Do 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 do. Yep, you, you, you. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yes, baby. I'm alright, baby. Yep. I took profit and I'm out of the market. This is the best strategy. If you're new to the binary.com, just you can use say baby. uh, it will take time. It will take time to have good opportunity, but not good market for trading. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I'm out. I'm out, baby. I'm out. Whoa. This is a simple strategy, guys. This is the most simple one strategy. Okay? Yeah, it will take time, but it is very a good thing to do on binary.com or any other binary option sites. This is the best 5-minute strategy. Okay? This is called scalping. Take a little profit and get out. Get out. Take little profit and get out. This is the best way to earn everyday money. You can easily make, suppose you invested $50 and you can easily make $10 a day. Nobody can, nobody will able to beat you. As you can see, this market is uptrend. Okay. Come. Okay, this is 2.5. baby. Okay, uptrend. Ooh. Oops. Ooh, ooh. This is going too far, baby. Oops, maybe it is going downtrend now. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, baby. Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. Yo, ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, baby. Come on, be up, baby. Yes, you can do it, baby. Yep, up, baby. Up. Oh no, shit, the fuck. Yes, baby. Oh yeah. I love green, not red. Yeah, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. Hoo. Yeah, baby. Oh, baby. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I'm out, baby. That's enough for me. Whoo, 19 fucking dollars. Woohoo. I love money, bitch. So, nearly $30 of profit. Nearly 35% profit in just some minutes, baby. Now, hey guys, if you're watching this video, if you wanna be really successful on binary sites, just do scalping. Okay, just analyze the market and take your profit and go away. Just fucking go away, man. That's enough. That's really enough, man. Don't be so greedy, man. It's enough. You know, it's $29. It's enough for me for today. I'm not very greedy. Yes. Why people are lacking in this industry? Because they're greedy. They want to make thousands of dollars from only just a single dollar. Okay? This is not the way to be rich. It needs patience. Like Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett yearly what he's getting? Or maybe only 20% return on his investment. But yeah, obviously his investment is so huge. But you know, every single drop can make an ocean. Just little. If you have $100, just make $10 a day. It's enough, man. Someday it will be $1,000, and $1,000 account will be $10,000 account. 10,000 will be one $10 million account. Yeah, it takes time because in this industry, nearly 95 to 97% traders loses money because they are not patient. Only 3 people out of 100 are making money in this industry. First, educate yourself and be patient. Then only you'll able to be like a Warren Buffett. You know, in day trading, some day people earn thousands of dollars, but the next day they'll wash out their whole account. That's the main reason people are not focused. They are not patient, they're impatient. That's why this world is so damn poor, because of the patience. Be honest with yourself and be patient and make money, baby. So guys, if you like my strategy, kindly like this video, share it, and please educate yourself. Bye bye.